Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab. Select the shape. Change the color. Adjust the color of shape. Duplicate the shape. Crop the shape. Adjust the shape. Change the color. Select the 3D shape. X rotation. Y rotation. Duplicate the shape. Select the color filter. Change the background color. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.